How to create and fill forms, image, and date fields. Click Tools, then choose Form. From the top toolbar, select Image field. Drag to place the image field where you want it, then double-click to edit. In the panel on the right, you can name the field and add a tooltip to guide the form filler. You can also control its visibility and whether it should appear when printing. Under Layout, adjust the position of the icon and label. Click Style to customize the border color, size, background, and more. To insert a date field, click this button in the top toolbar, drag it to your desired location and double-click to edit. Just like the image field, you can set the field name, tooltip, and visibility. Under Style, adjust the border, size, and text alignment as needed. This is what the form filler will see in the end. Download UPDF now and try it for free.